Hello and welcome to The World of Craig and episode 7 of Hair Colour Theory. Goodness me, we're at 7 already. Last time we looked at the shades that make up blonde tones, and this time we're going to be looking at their deeper sisters. I pretty much swatch everything before I use it, and to do so I use these from Pivot Point. They are their white swatches. If you're into hair colour, then you need to get some of these, and I will link them down below in the description. Let's start at the beginning with neutral or natural. Now these shades are neither cool nor warm, so they sit in the centre of the colour wheel. They're often added to formulas for blending or covering grey, and they are a really important part of our shade range. Coming in next, we have our natural ash cool tones. Now, these, as the name suggests, are natural or neutral, but they have additional cool tones added. These could comprise of blue and violet, and sometimes a green-based ash. These are great for adding into grey formulas for cool results and for neutralising warmth. Just when you thought things couldn't get any cooler, along comes blue. Now, both of these swatches were created using Shades Q Gloss 1B, and at that level, a level 1, blue is an incredibly powerful pigment. It's worth remembering that blue is also the opposite of orange, so diluted, it's great for getting rid of brassiness. Let's get warm. Oh yes, it's time for gold. Now, I go on about this over and over, but I use a lot of gold in my formulations. Did you know gold is the most reflective shade in hair colour? Oh yes, it is. And at a level 4, 5 and 6, it really can increase on that reflection. And everybody wants shiny hair. Let's get even hotter. Now, both of these shades are extremely warm, and it's worth mentioning here that they both sit at a level 5. But you see the warmer one on your left-hand side looks lighter than the other swatch when they are both exactly the same. Like I said before, the more warmth, the more reflection. But can warmth be cool? Oh yes, it can, especially when it has a red-violet base like these two swatches. Sometimes known as mahogany, this has a red-violet reflect. So they're cool, but they're warm. Now, these are great additions into deeper formulas to add richness to your brunettes. Let's have a couple of tonal facts. Now, it's worth mentioning here that all tones are intermixable, especially at deeper levels. You can use cooler shades to remove warmth, or you can add warmer shades to add warmth and add that reflection. These are just a few of the tonal values that I know you use in salon and perhaps on yourself at home. There are, of course, lots of other tones that I haven't featured here, but I might feature in an upcoming video. If you'd like that, let me know in the comments down below. And finally, to add that the level and the tone of the canvas that you are colouring always plays a part in the result. Let's take another look. Starting off, we had our naturals or neutrals, then we had our cool naturals, then we had our blues, then we're moving on to warmth with our gold, and then we had our gold coppers, and then our red violets. So many shades and tonal values to get creative with. What's your favourite shade? Do you have a favourite tone at deeper levels? Let me know down below. It's that time again. Oh yes, if you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like. It really helps me out. Make sure you subscribe and you hit the bell to turn on your notifications. That way you'll get an alert every time a video of mine goes up. There are so many videos here on my channel. There's tutorials like this, there's product reviews like this, and there are other hair colour theory episodes. Of course, I have an Instagram that is packed full of hair content. A huge thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.